In January 2012, an anonymous post on a 4chan forum launched one of the internet's most captivating mysteries, Cicada 3301. The message read, "Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. There is a message hidden in this image. Find it, and it will lead you on the road to us. Good luck." This began a global digital scavenger hunt, with participants solving complex puzzles involving cryptography, steganography, and classical references. Each clue led to websites, phone numbers, and even physical locations worldwide. Speculation about Cicada 3301's purpose and origin ran wild. Some